We'll see how far I get. Hi, I'm Pooja Mohan. I'm an indie author, aka a self-published author, and welcome to my writing studio. This is not your usual Wednesday video. That one is right here. So what am I doing here? There are so many incredible people here in this tiny but growing community of indie authors who leave comments on my videos, and a lot of them are questions about indie publishing. I can't write a lot of things over text, so I thought this month I'll pick up one question every day and I'll answer them over here in a video format. So not only you who ask the question gets an answer, but also a lot of other indie authors who might have the same question will get some idea. So I'll come here every day for this entire month and answer your questions on writing, self-publishing and productivity. Why am I doing this? Well, personal challenge. I like to challenge myself to do different things, and I thought this concept of creating a video every day looks interesting. Why not give it a try? And if I fail after 5 days, well, at least we'll have 5 extra videos. So there's no real downside of it, or at least so I think. We'll find out. If you're new to this channel, hi, I'm Pooja Mohan, and on this channel we talk about writing, self-publishing and productivity. If that's something you are interested in, consider subscribing to this channel, like, comment, share. In the world of YouTube, these things really help out a lot. And if not for anything else, subscribe to see if I really make it to the end of the month. And don't forget to leave your questions in the comment section below if you'd like me to answer them here on this channel. This question is by Yubi, and he asks if there is an affordable way of hiring a proofreader or an editor, and also he wanted to know about publishing on Kindle. There are 2 parts to this question, and I'll answer the first part in this video and the second part in another video. How to edit your book for free or at an affordable cost. I always say that if you're going to invest in anything, invest in an editor. But I can understand that it is not easy to shell out a lot of money on editing services when you don't have that kind of spare money. So here are some free or affordable ways to edit your book. But please understand that these are just workarounds and not permanent solution. A better way is to budget, save, and then invest in a good editor. But until then, buy books on editing and learn how to edit like a professional. I'll link a few books that I have been reading to polish up my editing skills. Many successful authors like Jerry Jenkins will tell you that they don't have an editor. They say that they do majority of the editing themselves. So you know that it is possible. Also buy books on the craft of writing, which will help you enhance your story, your prose, etc. I have also linked a few books on the craft of writing as well in the description section. Now, depending on the language you're writing in, brush up on the basic grammar and then scale up. Invest some time in learning the advanced things in the language, vocabulary, grammar. If you're writing in English, there are a lot of free online courses that you can take to polish your English. There are quite a few free online courses on Coursera, Skillshare and even Udemy that you can take to polish your English. There are also apps like Grammarly, Pro Writing Aid and Hemingway Editor. These apps are good for capturing grammatical errors and punctuations and things like that. These have free versions with limited features, so you'll not see all the changes that your manuscript needs. Consider investing in one of these apps, which will be at the fraction of a cost of an editor. If you have a question on self-publishing, productivity, writing, leave them below or check out this playlist where I have listed all the questions from the series. Or if you're new to self-publishing, check out this video and I'll see you in the next one.